Hi children, welcome to 5th standard, 5th standard English. Now yesterday lesson explanation day before yesterday we finished our question answers, reference to context. Now we came to application book. Application book open your application books A. First one is 1.1. We'll start with the 1.1. Worksheet 1.1. Open to worksheet 1.1. Very good. Now start. Here listen carefully to the speech of the young boy, how our lives have changed in 50 years. Okay. Now coming, I'll say it, I'll just roughly say, you can write it in your own, or you can, I'll keep the written notes here, you can copy down. Anything you can do, but try to write it on your own. This is about a small boy and his opinion is that. So, I am giving you just how it changed in the last years, few years. Okay. I was born a decade ago. Decade means what? 10 years aindi. Nenu putti. It's a small boy, now he is in 5th standard. So, he was born a decade ago. My parents say a lot has changed since then. The first thing that I observe is that mobile phones have become smart and so has television. I heard the villages and cities have developed a lot within this time. More and more multi-storied buildings have come up in the last 10 years. Old houses are giving away to the new high-rise apartments. Number of vehicles increased, pollution increased. My grandfather says that when he moved to the city, it was peaceful, but that was 30 years ago. Got it? So, this is an opinion about the city of a child, right? So, you can write it like this. You might have seen, your parents might have, oh, last 20 years back it was not like this place was not like this, this pollution was not, these many vehicles, new vehicles, branded vehicles are coming year by year, but 20 years back these branded vehicles were not there. So, it improved a lot. So, you can write like that, you can add some points and you can write like that. So, this is what I said is that. Okay. Now, shall I go through once again? You repeat after me. I was born a decade ago. My parents say a lot has changed since then. The first thing that I observe is that mobile phones have become smart and so has television. I heard the villages and cities have developed a lot within this time. 20 years lone baa develop ayipoyindi actually ga. More and more multi-storied buildings have come up in the last 10 years. Old houses are giving away to the new high-rise apartments. Number of vehicles increased, pollution increased. My grandfather says that when he moved to the city, it was peaceful, but that was 30 years ago. Right. Now, open to 1.2. Amma, this after writing, you open to 1.2. 1.2, what he has given? The words given in each box have similar meanings. For example, synonyms, nothing but synonyms. Okay. Here he has given big. Big ki synonym is same meaning. Synonym is nothing but the same word, same meaning. Big. Big means what? Large. Large is also big. Huge, enormous. Big ki ennu unnai synonyms? Large, huge, enormous. Afraid. Afraid, you can say frightened, you can say scared, you can say horrified. Afraid, same meanings you get, frightened, scared, horrified. The synonym for big, you can say large, you can say huge, you can say enormous. Synonym for afraid, you can say frightened, you can say scared, you can say horrified. Got it? Words which have similar meaning I'll call synonyms. Now take your pencils, I'll say you write it. You write the synonyms. Here he has given. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate synonyms of the words given in the brackets to complete the passage. Okay. We dash at my grandma's place every Sunday. assemble అని ఉంది అక్కడ. He has given assemble in the brackets. Assemble, you have to write the synonym for assemble. Assemble synonym is what? Gather. Yes, you write there gather. G-A-T-H-E-R, gather. Okay, so assemble synonym is gather. She is very kind. Kind is given in the, so kind synonym is gentle. G-E-N-T-L-E, gentle. Right. Everyone adores. Adores synonym is loves. Adores her. Adores loves. You can say adores, synonym for adores is loves. Loves her also. L-O-V-E-S, loves. Make a point when you are writing, you should write very, very neatly, ma. I have to correct the notes, no, after you return to school. So you write very neatly. This is your 5th standard starting, so write with full energy. When my family gets together, all the children begin synonym start. It becomes so noisy that my father has to shout. Shout synonym scream. S-C-R-E-A-M, shout, scream. S-C-R-E-A-M. It makes us silent. Silent synonym quiet. Q-U-I-E-T, quiet. Once everyone stops speaking, synonym is talking. Write down talking. T-A-L-K-I-N-G, talking. T-A-L-K-I-N-G. My grandmother announces that lunch is ready and we all dash to the table to eat. Dash synonym is rush, right? R-U-S-H, rush. Okay, R-U-S-H. I'll just go through the answers only. You check it. Okay, check your answers. We gather at my grandma's place every Sunday. She is very gentle lady. Everyone loves her. When my family gets together, all the children start talking. It becomes so noisy that my father has to scream to make us quiet. Once everyone stops talking, my grandmother announces that lunch is ready and we all rush to the table to eat. Right. This is for today.